Hey, this is the shack that Dennis built, and I'm here today to show you how to fix a problem. Oh my goodness. Look at that. We ran over the power cord with the lawnmower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you today how you can put it back together and have your cord just like new. But first, make sure you like my video and subscribe to my channel. So I've got the old outlet here, and I've got the old cord here, and we're going to get rid of that. We're going to bring cord up here onto the workbench, and you can see it went through the lawnmower and it caused some problems. That's what happens when you're not paying attention, huh? And so we're going to cut this cord off, and we're going to insert it into here. All right, so we got this cord, and it's been through the lawnmower. It's got a couple of cuts. I'm going to bring it back here to the last cut that I can find, and that's where I'm going to cut it off. That's where our new cord's going to start. Cut that thing off with a nice cutter. And then what we'll want to do is we'll want to skin it back. As you can see, we're going to want to put it inside there, and we'll skin it back to this point here, at least on this one here, this little black thing here, which wants to hold it on. So we don't want to go back any further than that. So put a little teeny tiny mark right there, and we're going to take and carefully cut the wire, because you don't want to cut through into the other wire. You can peel it back. Now you can do some cutting. There you go. All right, so now we got our 3 wires exposed. Now we're going to get the wire strippers, and we'll strip that. All right, I got my wire strippers here, and as you can see, the wire strippers have numbers on them, and the numbers are 10, 12, 14, 18, 16. Well, this is a pretty common cord. It's a 14, so you make sure you put it in the 14. Very nice. That way you don't cut into the copper itself. We're going to pull all this extra little gunk stuff out of the way, and we're going to just cut it off. We don't want it to be inside that. It's just in the way. All the insulation is going to go. Insulation's cut off. Take your wire and you twist it, like say 3 or 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So if you look in here, you can see that you got green, and you have white, green, white, and then of course black would go on the other one. Make sure it's backed off enough so that your wire can get in there easily. All right, green and the green. That's in there. Got to put the white in the white and the black in the black. And there it is. Now we're going to tighten it down while we're holding it in place. Very simple. This particular one is very simple. Get it nice and hand tight. Look at each one. Oh, it looks very good. Looks really nice. As you can see, I've got it in there. Now we're going to take and put the ends, put the cover back on. And probably takes a genius to do that. All right, see there? Easy as pie. Didn't take a genius because I could do it. And we're going to tighten this on. And just like that, we have a new end on. Nice. Now we can plug it back in, and let's not run it over again with the mower. This is the shack that Dennis built, and this is the plug that sits by the house that Dennis built. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure you like and subscribe.